Life is really a collection of moments, big and small, each meaningful when we choose to notice them. For that, I have chosen the new Vivo V70 FE to capture more detail that unfold new stories. V70 FE features a massive 1/1.56 inches large sensor. Ultra-clear imaging engine uses advanced algorithms to optimize every shot. The CIPA 4.0 stabilization reduces blur and improves handheld shot success, no matter how you crop or zoom. And if you want to amaze your friends with a winter wonderland shot, Snowtown style is your magic key. This is V70 FE, 200 megapixels, travel portrait, so pro. Your pocket-sized personal photographer and the ultimate keeper of your most precious memories. V70, co-engineered with Zeiss. It features premium design, pro-level portraits, and flagship performance. The all-new V70 series is now available at your nearest Vivo official stores. Love Bangladesh, love Vivo. Take care and see you soon. Vivo.
আপনি যদি আমার চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে না থাকেন তাহলে অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে নেবেন আর নতুন নতুন ভিডিও পাওয়ার জন্য বেল আইকনটিতে ক্লিক করে রাখবেন। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন, আল্লাহ হাফেজ।